Okay, everyone. We are gonna do work a few problems from the dry lab, the conversion specific heat and density dry lab. So if you're looking at this worksheet, I'm gonna kind of pick a problem from each section. So this is our density section, and I'm gonna scroll down. The one that I'm gonna work and show you how to work is number 6. So again, as you're watching these, I hope that you've tried this on your own first, because it will be more beneficial to you that way, instead of just watching me work it. All right, so this says a liquid is found to have a volume of 50 milliliters in a graduated cylinder. When placed on a balance, the liquid and the graduated cylinder has a mass of 125 grams. The empty graduated cylinder has a mass of 75 grams. What is the density of the liquid? Okay, so we know, I'm going to write out the equation first. Density equals mass over volume. Okay, so mass is units of grams and volume is units of milliliters. So we have our volume right here. I like to label numbers in my problem if I can. So there's our volume, and this is the volume of the liquid, remember? And so we're going to plug that in right here. We're going to plug in 50 milliliters. We'll do this in just a minute. And then we also need the mass of just the liquid. Now, we found that the liquid we read that the liquid in the graduated cylinder has a mass of 125 grams. And just the empty graduated cylinder had a mass of 75 grams. So the difference there is the mass of the liquid, okay? So if we take the mass of the liquid and the graduated cylinder, 125 grams, remember this is the liquid plus the graduated cylinder, I'm going to abbreviate. We're going to subtract off the mass of just the graduated cylinder, which is 75 grams. So that is just the graduated cylinder. And what we will get is the mass of the liquid, which is 50 grams. All right. So now I'm going to plug this number in for my mass. So I'm going to bring the density equation down here. So density equals, I'm going to plug my mass in on top, 50 grams. That's the density of the mass of the liquid divided by 50 milliliters. And you get a nice whole number, 1.0 grams per ml. That's the density of our liquid, and that is our answer. Hope that was helpful, and we will work another one in just a minute.